Welcome to our YouTube channel where we bring you continued ideas for transforming your bedroom into a cozy and stylish sanctuary. In today's video, we will be sharing 5 inspiring bedroom decor ideas that will help you create the perfect retreat for relaxations and rejuvenations. So let's get started. Ideas number 1: Screen minimalism. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and adopting a minimalist approach to your bedroom decor. Opt for clean lines, natural colors palettes, and clutter-free space. Choose essential furniture pieces that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. Keep the room uncluttered and use clever storage solutions is maintained a serene and triangular atmosphere. Ideas number 2: Bohemian chic. Infuse your bedroom with bohemian calm and incorporating vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and a mix of textures and decorative tapestries. Cross pillows and rugs with bold print, incorporating natural elements such as rattan or macrame to create a relaxed and electric vibe. Do not forget to include cozy sitting areas and soft lighting to complete the boho look. Ideas number 3: Coaster scarf. Create a beach inspired rating in your bedroom with a coaster decor theme. Choose a color palette inspired by the ocean, such as soft blues, sandy, natural, and crisp vibes, incorporating natural materials like rattan, just as divorced, and natural accents. This is hills, ropes, and arts. For a touch of seaside charm, complete the look with breezy curtains and light, airy bedding. Glamorous elegance. Elevate your bedroom with a touch of glamorous and sophisticated. Opt for luxurious fabrics such as velvet or silk and rich colors like deep purples and material stone. Incorporate statement pieces like a ruffled headboard or glamorous chandelier. Touches of pictures with decorative mirrors, pretty rugs, and elegant artwork.